Well, it's a overcast, rainy, chilly day here in Central Florida, and I figured that'd be a great time to visit Icon Park. Everything, for the most part, is indoors. Hi everybody, and welcome to the World of Micah. Today we are going to be visiting Icon Park here on International Drive. My glasses are fogging up. We're going to be visiting the Icon Park wheel. The wheel right behind me. It's going to be fun. Super excited about today's adventure. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. If you want to support my channel, down below is a link. It'll take you to my Patreon page. Now, let's take a closer look. Out here at the entrance, what they call the wheelhouse entrance, Madame Tussauds, Icon Park, and Sea Life Aquarium, all three are housed right inside. And this is the lawn area, all kinds of different restaurants, dessert spots, and bars. Even some pop-up carts are out here. Still early, but I wanted to show you guys everything out front. There was a brief delay this morning. It was supposed to open at 1, but it's not going to be opening until 1:30. Well, it's operating right now, as you can see. They're doing some maintenance work on it. Guy came and told me it was going to be close to 2 o'clock until it was going to open. Are we ever going to get to ride this thing? Now, I think this normally turns on like a fountain. You can see some of the workings underneath the water here. Not too far from the big wheel. That dude is looking for his mom. I hope his mom answers him. Look at these birds. Look at that. Oh, hey, there's another one right there. Yep. How crazy is that? Finding a good one there? Yeah. All right, I see it moving, so I think I'm gonna go and check out if it's operating and buy my ticket to ride. So Madame Tussauds and Sea Life opens at 11 a.m., but the wheel does not open until 1 p.m. When I got here, it was not operating. They told me check back at 1:30. Check back at 1:30, it was not operating then. 2 o'clock is when they said it would be open. Waited until 2 o'clock. They said shortly. It's now 2:45. I'm gonna go check. I just wanted to give it a chance to get operating. They're doing some maintenance work on it, so I understand. But I'm not leaving until I get to ride the wheel. Okay, I'm back. They said 1 o'clock, then it was 1:30, then they said 2 o'clock. It is now 2:45, and I'm about to buy my ticket for the wheel at Icon Park. Hopefully we get on. We're still not on yet. Well, I got my ticket. Looks like I'm gonna get on. And here comes one of the cabins. Ooh, I'm excited. It's been a long time since I've done this. Stepping in. Woo. All right. We are officially in the cabin. See how long it takes for these doors to close.
Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Will do. And there it goes. All right. And they're officially closed. We're in here now. You can get a drink. There is a bar right there where that family is coming out of. I opted not to get anything to eat or drink. They do still have the tablets here, which is cool because it'll let you know exactly where you are at any point in time. This will be a full 360 view of Orlando. There is air conditioning in here. As you can hear, there's some music pumping in. This is awesome. We're getting ready to take flight, going up. This is so cool. I'm so excited that we're doing this. There's the Star Flyer right over there. Maybe that thing will take off too while we're on this. We can see that. Definitely gonna get some good views up here. It was such a delay on getting on, but I'm glad I stuck around to do this. Here we go. We are going straight up right now. This is pretty cool. It's slowly moving, but it moves quickly at the same time. As you can see, that's where we started.
Hello, flyers.
Hello.
Aboard the wheel.
We are aboard the wheel.
Wondrous 400-foot ascent to the central Florida
Yeah,
sky.
400 feet we are going up.
Usually 1 mile per hour. You'll get to notice.
We're going at 1 mile an hour, it says. Now over here is Disney. I can see the hot air balloon over at Disney Springs. It is a little hazy today. As you can see, the weather's not cooperating the best. But we're gonna try and see what all we can see. I can see the Swan and Dolphin over there. The Hollywood Tower Hotel over there. Wonder if we'll even see Spaceship Earth. Maybe. Oh! There it is! The Star Flyer. That's amazing. Look at that. There's no way on Earth I would do that. We're still not even as high up as the Star Flyer right now. And we're pretty high up here. And that thing is taller than us. No, thank you. That's insane. All right. Looking down International Drive, right over there we have Universal and Volcano Bay. I can see Jurassic Park. I can see Volcano Bay. I can see Cabana Bay. To the right of that, I can see this big slingshot. Ooh, there's Dr. Doom's Fearfall and Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket. Looking further down, I can see Fun Spot and downtown Orlando over there. Wow. This is something. All right, let's take a look over here. We're still not even to the tip top right now, by the way. There's Top Golf right over there. Backside of International, and look at that. Who knew all that was over there, huh? Pretty crazy, if you ask me. This is pretty crazy, getting to get all the views up here. It's pretty cool to kind of put things in perspective, exactly where they are in Orlando. Doing it at a bird's eye view is kind of the best way to do it, in my personal opinion. I don't know. Let's see what we can find over at Disney again. Oh, there you are, Spaceship Earth. I can see you. I can see Epcot right over there. That is crazy. Do you guys see Epcot? Here's all of Icon Park. Right there, the little grassy area. And International Drive. Still not to the tip top of the Star Flyer. And we're not at the tip top of this either. We've kind of stopped in this area. Now there is a lady talking that is kind of giving you a smaller tour and some history. But I kind of like looking for things myself. Look at Ripley's. I did not know it said Ripley's on the back side of that building there. That's amazing. And right over there is one of my favorite restaurants, Chewy's. World's largest McDonald's, well, Epic McDonald's, right over there. There's Mango's. So many cool things up here. International Drive is so much smaller than I imagined. Wow, I can see some coasters. That is so cool. I can see the Incredible Hulk coaster right next to Dr. Doom. I can see really good views of Universal and Cabana Bay and Volcano Bay right over there. And there's downtown Orlando, Florida. You know, being up here just reminds me how much I love my home. I love this place. All right, we are almost to the very, very tip top of this 400-foot ride. Cannot believe it. Look at that. Now, that is a ladder. I'm sure used for maintenance on everything. Ooh, and you can start to see some of the lights. You see that? Some of the lights are turning on. Here it comes around. Wow, that's so cool. All right, we are almost to the very tip top of this thing. I don't want to miss it. Ooh, real quick.
Congratulations! You're owning the sky like a true Orlando dreamer from 400 feet in the air.
We are 400 feet.
Measure, that's taller than the Magic Kingdom's Cinderella Castle and Universal Studios Hogwarts Castle.
Wow, we're taller than Cinderella Castle and Hogwarts Castle.
As we coast
Look at that.
the highest arcs in the Sunshine State, I'll introduce you to some of my favorite hometowns.
This is amazing. We are at the very tip top right now.
See something that looks a little out of place.
How crazy is that?
The smoking volcano.
Give you guys a better view of International Drive and Interstate 4. Oh, and look, we are actually taller than the Star Flyer is. There are people on swings right now on that thing. Just give you guys a perspective of the difference. No, thank you. I'm good. I'm actually really good. Well, maybe one day. But look at that. The cabin's below us. We are officially at the top. We made it! We made it! We made it! We made it! We're at the very tip top. I'm on top of the world! This is so cool. I can't believe it. It took a while to get up here. It was quite the adventure getting up here, but we did it. We are the very tip-top cabin right now. Cannot believe it. Somewhere over here is where Universal's land is that they purchased for the new theme park they're doing. I'm not sure exactly where it is. It's somewhere around here. Oh, I think that's it right over there. All that land over there, I believe, is cleared out for Universal's new park. Wow, that's going to be insane. Some might say it could be epic. Now, over here is SeaWorld. You can see the coasters over there for SeaWorld. And that is the Orange County Convention Center right there. And there's the old Peabody, the Hyatt Regency now. And there's the IMAX Theater right there. The top of the Castle Hotel. And there's Cafe 22 Tango. Didn't know they had their name on top of their restaurant. And this is what it looks like where we are right now, going back down. Pretty cool. Now this is pretty cool. The Pirate Adventure mini golf right there. Seeing the whole layout of the land. Kind of makes me feel like I'm on Peter Pan's flight, looking at everything from this level, especially looking down at that pirate ship right there. Starting to go back down. This is so cool, man. I'm really glad I got to do this. I honestly didn't think it was going to happen because everything kept getting delayed. They're doing all kinds of maintenance work on everything, which is understandable. But I'm super, super, super glad we got to do this. It's totally worth it. I still have yet to do this at night. I'd like to do it at night, see the difference in everything. But doing it around this time, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, is not terrible. Especially on a semi-overcast day like this. It's kind of cool to see the layout of Icon Park too. All the different restaurants and shopping and everything they have down there. I love this area. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a great addition to Orlando, and it's kind of funny to think. I remember a time when this was not here, and that feels like forever ago, but at the same time, it doesn't feel that long ago. So this is the iPad they have. Okay, so right over here is Cape Canaveral and NASA. Right over in that area is Cape Canaveral and NASA. So I wonder if you came out here and planned it perfectly, if you could see a launch from NASA. That would be so amazing. Daytona Speedway. Oh, that's cool. If you click on it, it'll give you like a little in-depth look at what you're looking at and tell you what it is. So that is over in that area. And then downtown Orlando and Lake Eola, obviously, right over there, you can see some of the tall buildings. And then exactly what we're looking at right here is right there in front of us. Nice. I like this. Weeki Wachee, Big Sand Lake, Disney World, Legoland, Everglades, SeaWorld. Okay, so Legoland's over in this area, which is back over here. That is where Legoland is, over there, somewhere around in that area. And then as you pan over, you have Walt Disney World.
Attention flyers! We are making our final descent into the wheelhouse. Icon Park's central gathering place. Icon Park offers a mix of attractions, restaurants, and shopping that's a cut above the usual.
So something you might not have noticed here says south, east, north, and west. They have them in the cabin so you can see exactly which direction you're looking at. So this is north, obviously. That's north, knew that. And south. Disney World from this area is south. Well, kind of southwest right here. That's kind of cool. Didn't know it did that. But as you can see, we're getting closer and closer to the ground. We're heading back where we started. I can see that star flyer over there. Woo! That thing is pretty crazy. I can't believe we did it. We did it. We did it. We did the wheel. Successfully did the wheel. Making our way back into the station.
Attention flyers! We're approaching Wheelhouse Station.
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed your flight aboard the wheel.
Absolutely.
I'm glad sharing with you the sights and stories of my home, Orlando. You're one of the family now, and if you took any cool family pics on your journey, be sure to tag them at Icon Park Orlando or hashtag Icon Park on social media. I hope you enjoy the rest of your time here in the city, beautiful, or wherever your travels take you. Please gather your belongings and stand by to disembark. Until next time, flyers, so long and keep dreaming.
So long. I will keep dreaming. Absolutely will keep dreaming. All right. These doors should be opening. I think leave is going to be right past the sign right here. This is so cool, man. I love that we got to do this. And they're going to be coming into the cabin to clean it.
Please stand clear
once
of the
we
opening
leave.
doors.
See her, she's going to be disinfecting it. And the doors are open. And here we go. Thank you so much. We did it. That's pretty cool. They go in, they sanitize each cabin. After you get out, they wipe down everything, spray everything down. Pretty nice. I enjoyed it. Well, we came, we saw, we went 400 feet up in the air. Super exciting, super fun. I can't believe we did it, but we did. But I think our adventure for today has come to an end, which means it's time to say goodbye. If you enjoyed this episode, click the thumbs up button. The next time you're here at Icon Park, tell them World of Micah sent you. See you on the next episode of World of Micah. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.